Hi friends, and this video is introduction of Scratch Offline Editor. And we already downloaded it. And if you haven't checked out the video, go and check out that video. So let's get started. So this is the backdrop, and you can choose backdrop from library. So let's press it. Okay, these are the backdrop. And these are the category. And I'm going to choose a backdrop. And you can choose any backdrop that you like. And I think I'm going to choose beach backdrop. And make sure it is right. And if it's right, and if it's sure, press OK. See? This is the backdrop. And you can also paint a new backdrop by yourself. So let's press it. So these are the painting things, and these are the color. And you can paint a new backdrop by yourself. I'm not going to be painting right now, so we're just going to be deleting. Okay. And you can also upload backdrop from your file. And how to do it is, you're just going to press it, and this is your file, and you can choose any backdrop in your folder. I'm not going to be choosing the backdrop right now, so we're just going to cancel it. How to do it is you're going to press it and press open. And right now I'm not going to be picking the backdrop, so I'm just going to cancel it. And this is a normal sprite. And if you don't like that sprite, you can delete it. How to delete it was so easy. You just gonna press right click one time and you will see these. And you just gonna press delete. See? The sprites delete. And you can also pick a new sprite. And you can choose from this. And you can choose any sprite from library. So let's press it. So these are all the sprites. And I think I just gonna pick Abby, but you can pick any sprite that you like. And if sure, press OK. So this is Abby. And Abby looks very tall. I think I need to small that. How to small it was so easy. So we got these two, and one can make grow and one can make shrink. And we're gonna make small, so we're gonna shrink it. So let's press one time, and you just gonna press left click one time and two, and it means more smaller. So let's press it. I think we need more, a little bit more small. Oops! Abby look very small. It don't like a people. It is like a little doll. Abby is a people, not a doll. So we need to grow it. No problem. I already told. So this can make grow and this can make shrink. So let's grow it. So let's grow Abby. I think this side is more better. So this is how you shrink it and grow it. And you can also paint a new sprite by yourself. And you can press it and these are the painting thing, and these are the color. And you can also set costume to the center. So you can also upload Sprite from your file. And it was easy too. Just press it and you will pick a new Sprite. And if it's sure, press OK. I'm not going to be using Sprite right now, so I'm just going to press cancel. Okay. So we already finished the backdrop and Sprite, and we got 3 important things. And first is scraps. And scraps mean we can combine it. And we have so many options to combine, like move 10 steps, 10, 15 degrees, 10, 15 degrees back. And we got so many blocks to combine. In other video, I'm gonna post how to use these blocks. So make sure you hit the notification bell, so make sure you not miss my video. And next is costume. In costume, you can paint, you can line, you can draw a rectangle and also draw a circle, and you can text, you can fill with color, and you can erase it if you don't like it, and you can select. And you can also remove background, and you can also select the duplicate. And these are the color that you want to use. And you can choose any color in these color. And I already show was set costumes to center. How it works is you can set your sprite to the center. So the sprite getting more better. And you can also clear it, but I don't have any painting. And clear mean all of it. And it can also mean erase all. Erase mean it is one, right? Yeah. So clear mean all of it, and if you erase it, it is one. One thing happened. So this is what is costume, and I'm gonna add a test. And I'm gonna add a test Abby. A-B-B-Y, Abby. And the test is kind of a little small, so I think we're gonna make it more bigger. So how I did is this with little arrow. Okay. Abby. This is Abby. Cool. So you can know the girl name right now, which is Abby. So this is what's called costume. You can change, you can paint, you can write a test, which is called costume. You can erase too. And the last thing is sound. Sound mean you can add a sound of like somebody. And first thing is like this sound picture mean you can choose sound from library. So let's press it. So these are all the sound and these are all the category. And you can open one sound each. You can open like this. So these are all the sound, and I can open all the sound for you, but you can open by yourself. And music loops like a full sound. So, and if you think you're sure about one sound that you add, you're gonna press OK. So I'm not gonna be adding any sound right now. So we're just gonna press cancel. if you want to add one sound, you can press it and press OK. So let's just press cancel. Okay. And you can also record a new sound by yourself. And you can also upload sound from your file again. So this is how sound works. And we got three most things is sprite mean to come on the block, and costume mean to paint or to write a text or to erase or to change the color. Sound mean you can add a sound or record or upload sound by yourself. And we got three little items here. And you might be wondering, what are these? This little blue rectangle mean to make the screen more bigger. So let's press it. See, the screen is more bigger. And the little green flag mean you want to start it. And I will show you guys in this category, and you will see one green flag clicked. And you will know in the other video that I'm going to post, what the green flag work. And stop mean you want to stop, and first you press the green flag, and once it work, you don't want to work more, you can stop it. So this is how the scratch offline editor works. And you can also save it. How to save it was easy too. But I'm going to show you guys another one. Abby, I want to make a twin to Abby. So we're just going to press a left click to Abby picture. And we got these again. But we're just going to press not delete right now. We're just going to press duplicate. See? Abby are twins right now. Cool. So there are two twins right now. So I will show you how to save right now. And how to save is you need to go to File, and you will see Save As. And you can write a file name, and my file name gonna be Abby. Okay. And we're gonna press save. And you can also make a new folder, and I make a new folder which says scratch, and I can find my animation in scratch folder, and you can also make a new folder. So I hope you guys like this video, and if you like this video, big thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so make sure you don't miss my video. Bye!